check out the ice. Pretty cool, all that ice. It's all the way down the valley, up on Glastonbury Mountain in Vermont. This is all the nice ice sculpture coming out of the pipe there. You can see it coming out of the pipe, coming right underneath the ice out of the pipe, right on top of that big rock. Yeah, we're having fun. Gonna slide down it. I got you on video. You gonna slide down it? Yeah, awfully bumpy. See how it bumps on there. All right, that's gonna do it. I wanted to show you the ice out here. All right, thanks for watching.